Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So I am welcoming you all to another interesting, fascinating hairstyling video tutorial where you are going to learn some amazing hairstyling patterns as you can see in the video. By taking partitions in the hair and by twisting your hair in this way and joining it, you will get a beautiful pattern by making a braid, and in this way you can join your hair. Now making a pleat like this, and then by securing your hair in this way and interlocking to get a lovely beautiful braid. Now what are we going to make by crisscrossing your hair in this way from one side to another side and by securing with the help of clutches. And in the end what you can do is place and roll your hair into the form of a beautiful round bun and securing with clutches. Now taking your sides in this way, rolling your hair and then tying it up with the help of a rubber band, and now securing your hair in this way by making a zigzag pattern and then using your braid and then rolling it into the form of a beautiful bun. Grab all your accessories and get started. Now again rolling your hair and twisting it back and forth and making a beautiful braid in between, and in the end what you can do is you will get a lovely pattern. Again taking a small partition of hair, rolling your hair like this from either side of the knot and then securing them with the help of rubber band, and here's to the lovely result. Again what are we going to do? Take the hair like this, make a middle partition and then twist your hair in this way and roll it like this. Isn't it pretty? Again make a ponytail at the bottom of the hair and then make a ponytail like this and roll your hair into the form of a beautiful circular bun. Again take hair like this from one side to another and twist your hair in this way by back and forth and then securing with the clutches. Again take and roll your hair on either side, and then by doing partitions in the hair and rolling it in this way you will get a beautiful result. Again by crisscrossing your hair in this way and securing with the help of clutches by making a beautiful braid, a thin braid on one side of the hair, and doing the same on the another side by crisscrossing your hair in this way, and this is the result. Now what are we going to do? Twisting your hair in this way and twisting it back and forth and then securing with the help of your clutches, taking hairs out to give it a little messy look. Proceeding further, make a beautiful knot like this, a beautiful bun, and by crisscrossing and interlocking with the help of ribbons. Now what are we going to do? Twist your hair in this way, twisting it back and forth and then securing your hair in this way, and with the extra hair left behind, turn it into a beautiful thick braid and then roll it into the form of a beautiful bun, and this is the result. Proceeding further, let's see what are we going to do, and here's to the result. Again twisting your hair in this way by taking partitions and making a beautiful knot like this. Again rolling your hair from either side of the hair, making such patterns like this and securing with the beads. Again take partitions and taking it in a zigzag pattern, here's to the end result, and secure it with the help of your rubber band. Here's again we are rolling the hair in the middle like this by taking partitions and then securing it with the help of rubber band. Again proceeding further, make a rolling pattern like this by taking side partitions of the hair and then again securing it like this. Isn't it enough? Isn't it pretty enough? Yeah, definitely. Make a beautiful bow like heart-like shape in the pattern, and here's to the result. Wow, this is looking damn amazing.